Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to recreate these beautiful, incredible chicken nachos. You can substitute the meat with veggies if you want, and you can substitute the cheese with vegan cheese. It can be made with some really easy and simple steps. Give it a try yourself. And if you'd like more videos like this, please hit the like and subscribe button. And without further ado, let's get started. We'll need 1 cup of chopped bell peppers. I have green, yellow, and red. 1 small onion, also chopped. Half a cup of avocado, cut in cubes. 1½ cup of chopped tomatoes. 1/3 cup of cilantro leaves, also chopped. 1/3 cup of chopped green onions. And 2 jalapeno peppers sliced. You will also need the juice of half a lemon or a lime. You will need sour cream. You will also need cooking spray or some olive oil. 2 jars of salsa. This is the brand I'm using, but feel free to use any. And then 3 cups of shredded and pre-cooked chicken. I bought mine from the store just like this. For cheeses, we have Habanero cheese, Parmesan cheese, Tex Mex, as well as tortilla chips with a hint of lime. Regular tortilla chips are also okay. So to start, take a pan and on a medium-low heat, add some olive oil, then add your onions. Mix until they turn translucent. Then add the bell peppers and mix until they become a bit softer. Make sure not to overcook them. Once they're done, add the chicken and mix again. About 3 to 4 minutes later, add the salsa, 1 jar at a time, and mix well so everything gets blended nicely. Also, add some salt according to your taste. So next step is to take a tray and line it with baking paper and spray some oil on it. Then start laying your chips topped with the salsa until the entire top of the tray is covered with salsa nicely. Just like this. Then add the jalapeno peppers. Add the green onions. Tomatoes. You could have cooked half of these tomatoes with the salsa, but you can also eat it like this. Then add the avocado, cilantro leaves, and lastly, all the cheeses. And as a final step, add the lime or lemon juice, and also add dolls of sour cream all over the tray. Now leave the tray in the oven at 380 degrees Fahrenheit for about 8 minutes or until the cheese is all melted. Keep an eye on it as it can easily burn. And the chicken nachos are ready. They're cheesy and they taste crunchy and spicy with a hint of lemon. It is a great recipe to recreate if you are having a party at home or if you're craving something savory. This recipe can be modified to meet your own taste. I recommend serving it with some sour cream and more salsa. If you'd like to watch more videos like this, hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching.